Hello students, welcome to our physical education class. Today in our class, we are going to learn about the skill of hockey. Skills: the grip, receiving or dropping, push pass, dribbling or ball carrying, hitting, sweep hitting, tackling, lifting the ball, reverse flick and penalty corner. The grip. This is the basic grip for receiving, dribbling, pushing and passing. The left hand at the top of the stick and the right hand halfway down the handle around 30 cm. Check left forearm is in line with stick, so the back of the wrist point forward. Both arms are slightly bent at the elbows. Receiving or dropping. It is needed all over field in every phase of play, attack, defense, midfield, clean execution of the skills in a better outcome in the next phase. Step 1. Get your stick down early, keeping it out to the ground with a nice firm but relaxed grip from the knees, not just the waist. Your hands should be approximately 30 cm apart. Step 2. Bend your knee and absorb the ball against your stick out in front of the right foot. Dribbling. Indian dribble was first seen at the 1956 Olympics. It was named after the super dribbling skills of the Indian teams. Step 1. Hands apart, low body position, ball out in front of the body, ball outside right foot. Step 2. Head up, good vision, passing off right foot. Hitting. It is great for shots on goal from close in or for passes that need to be slightly stronger than a push or when you are being closed down quickly by an opponent. Step 1. Keep your hands apart in the dribbling or dropping position rather than bring them both to the top of the stick. The backswing should be short and flat with stick parallel to the ground. Step 2. Keep the follow through low and your stick on the ground. If you want to lift the ball, angle the head of the stick upward. Reverse sweep. It can be used for passing or shooting at goal and can give you an element of surprise. The sweep variation from the hit pass. Step 1. The grip and stance are the same. The ball is placed in line with the front foot. Step 2. The stick is drawn back a short way and swept forward along the ground to strike the ball. The position of each player's head is over the ball. Push pass. Grip left hand on top and right hand further down soft for control. Stick start against lower part of ball. No backswing involved. Low posture and follow through to target. Transfer weight from right foot to left foot. Quick forward and follow through action. Tackling. Here are lots of different ways to tackle your opponents. Step 1. Put your left foot forward with your knee bent and your back leg stretched behind you. Step 2. Have your stick at right angles to the line of the ball. You can reach for the ball with one or both hands. Do not swing the ball with your stick. Keep it low on the ground. Put the shaft of your stick in front of the ball. Lifting the ball. Step 1. Your stick needs to be behind the ball. Lift the ball up off the bounce. Keep the ball in front of you. Follow the ball. Step 2. Lifting or popping the ball over a defender's skill. Shot on goal. Forehand flick, reverse flick and slap. Pass to other team members when an obstacle may be in the path. Ball carrying with little flips. Reverse flick. Uses. Lifting over goalkeeper. Step 1. Ball starts on left side of body. Hands apart. Ball closer to body to get head and body over the ball. Step 2. Transfer of weight will mean weight will be on right foot and often left foot up in the air. Head of stick under the ball and follow through action. Thank you, students. We shall meet in the next class.